Yeah, so that's why. Hi, this is Franco. What's his name? Uy, what is name daw? Franco. His name is Franco. Franco, i-on mo sa computer ko para pwede ka mag-reply doon sa ilaha. Hi, his name is Franco. They were having I miss your other live. No, it's okay. It's okay if you miss. Actually, I'm always live. All right. I need to charge my phone. Oh my God, I need to charge my phone. Hi, amigo, matagal ko na yan sinasabi. Okay, you're done already, amigo. Ay, nila jacket na kita. Huwag ka na dyan. Okay, matagal na sinasabi. At matagal na sinasabi, pero nila jacket na kita, ha. Huwag ka na dyan. Ikaw talaga. Kaya, mayroon ka bang girlfriend? Ako, ha. Si amigo. Si amigo, para siyang babae yung gali. Thank you so much, amigo. And welcome back, Mary JC. We have Mary JC here in the house, guys. Franco, yeah. Oh, nice name, Franco. Yeah, he's Franco. Mary JC, his name is Franco. I'm going to get my charger because, he is using my computer at the moment. So I told him to put my live in the to also open my computer. I will tell him. Franco, i-on ko na lang yung YouTube. Hello, everyone. Okay, my God. Just wait, guys, because I'm. Hello, Mary JC. I'm going to get my charger. Yeah, I'm going to get my charger. Okay, because I'm nearly no battery now. Are you bored? Hi, Mary JC, how are you? What you been up to? I miss you. I miss you since the last time that you're here in my life. Okay. So I'm also cooking here at the same time. Okay, Mary JC. Okay, I'm